In a heartwarming incident, residents in the Deira area of Dubai saved the life of a cat stuck on one of the balconies. A video of the incident has been circulating on social media platforms. The video showed a cat stuck on the ledge of a balcony on the second floor of an apartment block in Deira. The cat was unable to climb its way back to the floor due to lack of grip on the glass fence of the balcony. After several attempts, the feline gave up. People in the neighborhood noticed the distressed cat. Residents gathered around the site to rescue the cat. People were sorting it out to rescue the feline animal. One quick-thinking resident brought a bedsheet to rescue the cat. The cat realized that the people had gathered for the rescue operation. The cat jumped and people caught it. The cat was inspected by residents and later given water to cool down. Netizens have been praising the efforts. The video was first uploaded on social media platform TikTok. The cat was inspected by residents and later given water to cool down.